So here's my new kitchen galley. I got it on eBay for about 530 bucks. It's all aluminum. And this is my Shurflo variable speed pump. It's nicely vibration isolated. This little mount came with it, works pretty well. And this is a dryer hose vent I got at Home Depot. Fits pretty well onto this Camco camper sink drain, which is also a trap. Doesn't let smells through. And I use the other end right here, and it fits. Well, I had to cut it, but it fits really well in there, and it's gonna make a really nice watertight seal. So I've turned the pump down, the flow down, pretty low. One disadvantage of this mixing bowl solution is that if you look closely, there's not an offset or an inset where the sink drain can sit in. So the sink drain rim is the highest point, and there's a little bit of water that puddles on the edges here. See right there. And that's why I upgraded to a conical sink, so that that wouldn't happen, so that I wouldn't have to be cleaning my sink all the time. Because when you're on unlevel ground, it's not going to drain unless you have a conical sink. I used to have a flat sink from IKEA. It worked well, but that was the only problem. So yeah, this is how I mounted this IKEA cabinet to the wall. I have a bunch of plus nuts in the wall. See far out ride / plus nuts for that. And this is just a cap. This is just a normal sink hose that I got from Home Depot. This I got from Amazon. It's a strainer. You need that to protect your pump. This is just a normal stainless steel hose that I got from Home Depot, and I used steel here so that the weight would bring it all the way down to the bottom of the freshwater tank. And these are bedpost raisers here, and I've just bolted them down into there. And that's my Dometic 65-liter fridge, and these are IKEA Trons. And this is just the IKEA faucet. It cost me like 25 bucks. It works well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this all.